This lady had this car towed here, dropped off right in the front. Now, y'all see here, she broke her key, right? This is a '05. Y'all recognize this? '05 Chrysler Town and Country, okay? She got me a key. I guess it's from eBay. I'm finna try to program it, but guess what, guys? It was towed here simply because, boom. Y'all see this too? Yes, guys, it's the DRB. Must have this too in order to program an '05 Caravan. Now, here's on my option, okay? I'm out. This is a shorts video. Program key. I'm gonna have to put in the code. Now, I gotta go get the skim code from the parts department. Hold tight. All right, guys, I have the pin in the vehicle. They're asking me, am I sure? Am I that this pin is correct? Yes, I'm sure. Now, let's see what happened. Please wait, please wait. Oh, it was programmed successfully. Now, let's see if it'll start. There you have it, guys. All right, now quite frankly, she could have got a black key from Home Depot because this chip still worked, but whatever, guys. She got a new key, new silver key in it, but no remote function. All right, man, y'all stay tuned for more, man. DRB saved the day. Here we go back at this Ram 1500, guys, that keep coming in for the purge valve code. Well, guys, my part came in. Here's my part. This is the hose for the vent hose from the, not even a vent hose from the canister to the tank, the rollover valve. Look how they got this set up, guys. They put a water hose on it, and as you can see, it was crimped up right here, and it kept setting purge code. It's like 3 brand new purge valves has been put on here. Well, here's the hose, guys. I still say they could have pulled this off had they routed this a little differently, because you see the new one go like this. All right, so which tells me all they had to do was route this under here and not route it this way. It wouldn't have got pinched. See, it's pinched right here and it stops it up. All right, that is not good. So in other words, I got a full explanation coming up, guys, on a full video. Y'all stay tuned for that. But yeah, my parts here for this hose. I'm about to get this put on, and we're gonna take care of this purge system. All right, let's get it. Alrighty, guys, real quick, let's talk. Y'all see this, right? Typical brake jobs in the rear. Y'all see the pads are worn. So what do? What any normal tech would do, right up a rear brake job. But look at this, guys. Seems I left off one small thing. Okay, that's checking the parking brakes. As you can see right here, all of the pad is gone on these parking brakes. Guys, I screwed up. All right, now which begs the question, how far should you go with your brake inspection, right? Should you really be removing real drums in order to tell if the parking brakes are worn? That's hard to say, guys. I have to go back and now ask this customer for an additional, I don't know, $150, maybe $200 for some parking brake shoes, simply because I didn't remove the drum to see if they were worn. They're not really designed to wear. I don't know. Maybe they got a problem. Maybe the customer been riding around with the parking brake partially engaged. I don't know, but I screwed up and I got to figure out a way to handle this. What y'all think? Hey guys, real quick, y'all see what I got here? 8 HP's transmission fluid service. This is the pan. The filter is integrated with the pan. All right, got some nuts and bolts right there. All right, fluid, 6 quarts, maybe. Who knows how much I need. That is why I'm doing this, guys. Get a load of this. Yes, I'm draining the fluid. You should drain it anyway if you're getting ready to replace it and you got a drain plug. Right. But I'm doing a unique thing here. I'm capturing the fluid, right? I got a bucket right here. I want to know exactly how much come out. That is so I can go back in with that very same amount, guys. Here's the thinking. Look around this transmission. You don't see any signs of leak. One could assume it is still full from the factory at birth. All right, so yes, that was the case in this case. There was no signs of leak, so I'm assuming it's still full. So I'm gonna go back in with the exact same amount that I get in this jug. All right, now all you guys that believe in this a feel for life transmission, you're doing yourself a disservice, man. And the fact that it's real easy to do. Oh my goodness, look how easy this is. Service your transmission. Alright guys, this is ZF 8 HP transmission found in a Dodge Challenger rear-wheel drive vehicle. Nothing to it, nothing special about it. I don't know why the world is panicking over feel for life. Guys, this is simple to remove your pan and essentially replace your pan because the filter is integrated. Now, look at the condition of that fluid. This car has 120,000 miles. You telling me you guys are out there willing to leave this in your transmission for the remaining of its life? This is not feel for life, guys. That filter, you see how trashy that filter is? There's a good picture of that filter. That is called contamination, guys. That contamination comes from normal wear and tear in a transmission. Okay, the torque converters is coming apart over time. Over time, everything in this transmission will wear. So that debris has to go somewhere. It will eventually end up in your transmission filter, guys. You need to replace this. ZF said every 60,000 miles. I go a good 80 and it should be good. But look at that. Service your transmission, guys, in order to make your transmission last long. Alrighty, guys, real quick, I'm out here checking my friend's Dodge Avenger 2013 model, guys. Guess what's wrong with it? Yes, the horn don't work. Guys, keep in mind, the horn is a safety feature. It is there to protect you. Okay, so if it's not working, you need to get it fixed. Now, as far as why it's not working, guys, you need to do some diagnosing if you're the mechanic. But keep in mind, guys, there's no physical typical ISO horn relay on this car. This car is equipped with a TIPM, totally integrated power module, all right? And that horn relay is attached to the motherboard of the TIPM, all right? So if you got horn relay problems, you will need a complete TIPM. Now, but I want to show you something before you do that, guys, and you will need a real good scan to do this. In other words, you're going to have to scan this thing, namely the airbag module, okay? Take a look at this code right here. Y'all see that? B1B06, driver airbags equipped 2 circuit opening. Guys, if the ribbon inside this clock spring is open, that circuit will allow your horn not to work, because when you press this horn, the circuitry goes through there, and if it's not attached, you need a clock spring. Alrighty, guys, real quick. Now, I had a guy in the comment section ask me, since when did it become normal to replace such engine parts as an oil pump? Usually that's unheard of, right? And I had a guy in the comment section attached to his comment explain why, and it was a damn good explanation. It started happening when we started adding electronics to mechanical parts such as oil pumps. Okay, this is an oil pump. Yeah, you normally don't hear that kind of chatter amongst mechanics. Yeah, I had to replace the oil pump. P06DD, guys, can be a result from this sensor solenoid failing, okay, which will require, no, you can't replace this by itself. It's just nobody gonna go through all that trouble to gain access to this just to replace this. They're gonna do the whole pump. Now, you see all this sludge build up? So yeah, a lot of that is from neglect, guys. Here's the oil pan. Look at all this sludge. All right, so it's not just the parts, it's not just the solenoid. Don't blame all of this on the solenoid. A lot of this is customer neglect. So change your oil on time, and a lot of this you can fix yourself.